Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Hits again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Charter email account on your computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Charter email account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in charter.net like this and hit enter, and then you'll be directed to the home page of Charter. But you need to know a thing before you get to that page, that Charter has been upgraded to the name of Spectrum, and when you log into your Charter now, you'll also be logging to your Spectrum, which means that Charter has been upgraded to Spectrum. So basically, if you want to log into your Charter account, you'll need to log into the Spectrum account, because both of those are same, only their website address or website name has changed. Now to log into your Charter account or your email account or your Spectrum account, you can see the sign in button available at the top right corner of your screen, or over here just beside the creator username. Click on sign in, and after the page loads, you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then you'll be required to confirm you're not a robot. After you check this box, there will be a captcha available. Enter that captcha and click on sign in to log into your Charter account. Or if you've forgotten your username or your password, simply click on forgot username or password to go through a procedure to retrieve a username or password depending upon which one you lost. And this is how you log into your Spectrum or your Charter email account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.